Hey guys, and freaking Dino plays mess up the game. He break the wall and we don't have it. You're not a dino again. You're a dino poop. Wait. I need to get the llama. Oh, shit, if you have a beautiful mind, can you teleport me there because I'm feeling stuck? Oh yeah, we need food. I forgot. Yeah, I have so many. Oh, that's a good spot. That's a good. Ooh, good spot. I'm run out of food. I need to go here. Oh, charcoal. Kailangan natin Kuya, kailangan natin mga defense.
Yo, let's go.
Wait, I need some more defense. Where are you? Oh no, I'm running out of food.
So guys, we're given us food so we can survive because there's not.
Can you see me? There's a den.
Let go.
Oh really? Torches. Hey! I'm coming. Wait, I need to kill this sheep so I can get food. I need food. Oh, there's a cow and this one. Oh my god. Oh, the llama. I need the llama. Do not kill it. I have a carpet.
Try to control it. Can you?
No. Bakit bawal? Bakit bawal?
Did you see the awesomeness? Look at me.
Why I am not... Ako yun, kuya, ganyan din ako. Just going deeper. Right, there's iron.
Oh, we found iron.
That's why this is my mine. Do not fall to that hole. There's a freaking hole. Yeah, I hear zombies and there's a hole here. Can you hey. Go there. There's a mine going deeper down.
Okay, then
Pro, Filipino.
Let's go.
Okay, go. Where are you? Where are you? Do you want to go to our mine? To your front iron? Good, good, good. Yeah, I know. I only have 8 iron. Alright, let's go to this mine right here. There's a zombie here. Be careful.
I want to kill a zombie.
Go here. Oh, there's a zombie there. Can you beast mode it? Well, that's pretty easy.
I'm not getting Bye-bye.
Okay, I will find diamonds. Okay, go. I found iron.
When you rest at home, you can just
Oh yeah.
yeah, we're not on
Kill yourself. Do not kill me. I have found so many iron here. Abba. That's my baby.
Baby Sarah.
Wait, there's a ravine. Yep, can you kill me? There's a baby. Oh, I see the home. I see the home. Or I did not see the. Oh, I see the home. Oh, I found the jackpot. I found pumpkin. Bye. Okay guys, we're done mining. It's becoming daytime. I killed so many mobs.
For
And
thumbnail purposes, guys. For thumbnail
I need to kill this. I need to kill this llama. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh, freak. I'm like lagging in the crazy. There we go. I need this cow. I need everything that I see. Oh my god, there's so many cows. It's like cow family. Mommy. You're now mommy. We're done mining. Look at all of this stuff. I got the bow. Yeah, I'm a bow master. So yeah, what do I need more? Oh yeah. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And subscribe to Dino Plays. Who's doing the channel? Yeah, channel.
Guys, I'm in creative for thumbnail,
yeah,
for my thumbnail for my video.
yeah, this is video. I don't have a thumbnail. So sorry guys for that because I don't know how to edit. And Dino Plays don't teach me how to. That's what I need. How to get a thumbnail. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna test out. We're gonna test out this spider. Yep, it's bad. But it builds your hand by a little bit, but to take damage. So that's why I did not put on my chainmail armor. have the redstone creators. I have 23 iron, that's enough for some mining. And we need to kill this creeper that I see. So what is else? Oh yeah. Oh no. Wait. I'm not gonna say oh no. Because I found it. Yeah, I found the crab. And yeah. Why do I need gravel? I need flint. They're not giving me. Oh my god. A zombie came out of nowhere. That's how dangerous mines are. Hold on, this is gonna take a while. Okay, we have 2 flint. Of course we need flint. Like, we need flint. So, we have the bow, and we need to fix it. Like, if you want to make a bow, here's how to make the bow. You need 3 sticks and 3 string, like that. And if you want to make arrows, you need to do this, and yeah, this. There we go. Arrow. So yeah, I hope you learned that lesson. There we go. Oh, it's raining. Why is it raining? I don't like rain. Rain, 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 rain. And I throw it. Come on. Oh yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next video, yeah, bye bye.